Alright, what's up guys? You have now met Matthew, the new camera guy. He will be on the quad tomorrow doing some chase and follow and, you know, whatever work to get some cool shots. Now, as you see, I may have made a mistake by trying to make body panels out of steel for the Crosskart. Now, mind you, this is the V1, not the V2 that you'll be building. This is my prototype, so it doesn't matter what it looks like, but it's all duct taped on, so I'm gonna rip all that back off. For the ride tomorrow, we are going to try to go full send, get some top speed runs, really test out the track, and get a real good layout for it. So like I said, these ugly things gotta go, man. Someday I'll figure them out, but not today. And then up here, the whole reason for making body panels in the first place was so I can make an air vent right here to funnel air into my radiator. But we haven't been having any kind of heating problems at all. It hasn't even got up over 200 degrees yet, so these gotta go too. All right, and now we're ready. All right, we made it out here. We're gonna get unloaded. I got some cones here we're gonna set up in the open area, and we're just gonna get a track laid out today, and you know, some top speed runs, a little bit of whatever, you'll see. Some whoops out here. Man, it's rough out here without the snow. Woo! This thing eats in first gear, man. Dude. The power in this thing out of first gear is insane. Yeah. Oh, let me get out. Let you get out? Yeah. So.
Is this recording, right?
All right. So, we definitely need to smooth this thing out. Like, it's rough on here.
Oh yeah.
It's just. Oh,
bouncing like crazy on the floor.
I know there's ruts. I mean, not ruts really, but there's whoops everywhere.
I'll tell you what.
Whoops everywhere.
I'll tell you what though.
What do you tell me?
This is not keeping up with that.
No, I was thinking when I took off and first
way.
over there, I was like, I wonder where he's at. And I looked back, and you're like a quarter of the track behind me.
I'm getting dust clouded, dude.
Yeah. I know you got dirt in your teeth already. So it's likely you guys won't be able to hear anything because it's really windy, but we are getting the berm all worked out, getting it all flattened out and smooth. I need to put some softer springs on the cart, or that's with the valving and the shocks, I'm not sure, to loosen it up a little bit. It's pretty stiff, but I'm gonna go for a little test ride now and see how this smoothing has worked. Oh man, I really did it. Look at that poor girl over there. Ah, you can't see, but we totally, well, I totally snapped the spindle right in half. Yeah, what's this wee thing? He got about 2 laps. Next time though, man, next time.
Yeah, there's always a next time.
You gotta build it stronger. Since you built this whole cart, remember?
Yeah. Yeah, I did that.
He put a couple tack welds on the other cart, so he built it now. All right, here it is. Oh, Malanta. Oh, look at the carnage. Look at the brake caliper mount. It's not supposed to be bent. So I think the problem is this was hot rolled steel right here. And it's always weaker than cold rolled. So now I know what to do differently next time. And I'm gonna beef all this up with some bracing in here too. I don't know. We'll have to build another one and beat the crap out of it though and make sure it holds up. It looks kind of cool like that though. Kachiga, kachiga. Any last thoughts? He's so disappointed he didn't get to ride.
That's some steering angle, buddy.
That's some steering angle. Yep. Well, we'll get it done better next time. Shoot, I think I can have these built by next weekend.
Realistically,
He doubts me.
to be honest.
All right, 2 months.
About 4 hours aside, so
2 months.
2022.
All right, yeah, so hopefully I got some good video, but we keep losing it. There's the wind. We keep losing it right before the good part, but whatever. You guys know what to do. Keep coming back. Sebastian.